This video was brought to you by Elbilmek, ABRP, Stormberg, Kempower and Bilkomponenter. Yo, what's up? Today I'm going to show you guys some cool products at bilkomponenter.no. This is at Cleavage, Kløfta, just 5 minutes away from my home. So there's one thing I wanted to test a long time ago, and that is we have now a rare backup camera squirter or cleaner for Model Y. And then since we're already here, we can also test some other, or check out some other products. So here I have Sondre. You are the owner of Bilkomponenter.
Correct.
You know, we have Valdemar's garage. Maybe we should also have Sondre's warehouse. But
why not?
Yeah, why not? But let's check out. Okay, you know, okay. Before I think the purpose of this video is to do some accessory tests, you know, but also include other cars than just Tesla. And there might be products you didn't know you wanted, but like this, the rare sprayer, or other products you were like, oh, why not? Yes, you know, I want it. Yeah,
Yeah.
yeah. So let's check out the backup camera first then.
Yeah.
Okay, in order to demonstrate this, we need 12 volt to be active, and you guys know that Tesla has disabled the 12 volt when the car is off. But Sondre, if you open the door now, we need 12 volt to be active, and we can just show you some other cool products. Oh, what was that? That's legal, right?
Yeah.
But that's the accessory you can also add, and you can. Well, do you guys install it here?
Yeah, we install it as well.
Okay.
No problem.
But okay, what we're gonna see here is this. So now it has a little sprayer there.
Yes, it does.
But then how was it installed? How does it work?
It works with this little button that I have here.
Oh, so you have a remote.
Yeah. So if I press the button,
Ooh.
I can do it again if you want to. And it will clean the camera.
Look at the backup camera when you press it. Nice. Wow. It's game over. Now we have the same features the Audi SQ6. So this is one of the components that you guys install.
Yeah. So what we do is that we take, of course, out the panels in the back, and we take out the whole opening mechanism, including the camera, and then we change the opening mechanism with a new one with the spring, and put the camera back. And of course, then we have to run a hose all the way down here, and then now I have it loose so you can see. So we have this one with a small pump that's connected to this remote.
But how big is the tank?
This is 1.5 liter approximately, but that lasts forever. Because it's just a small amount of fluid that comes out every time.
Wait, so this has the remote thing and everything in there?
Yeah, so it's in there, yeah. So it just communicates with the buttons here.
But then you also need 12 volts?
So we need 12 volts, so we run the 12 volt over here and plug it in the... Now I have two because we have a cooler under here as well. So you just connect it here, and it's powered as long as you drive the car, so there's no problem with that. Let's throw in this one with the red light.
I can also show that you guys also sell the 3D Max.
Yeah, so that's connected to this one as well, and we have the 3D Max floor mats, and underneath here we of course have the cooler as well.
Oh, it's -1 degree Celsius.
-1 degree.
Wow.
So as you mentioned, this will not work when the car is stationary anymore in Sentry mode.
Well, unless you use camp mode.
Yeah, you can use camp mode, but of course that uses a lot more power from the car, but it will keep this operational.
Yeah, so you guys also sell this?
Yeah.
And for Model 3?
We have this for Model Y, Model 3 and Model X.
Yeah. Nice. I think I already made a video a long time ago about
Yeah,
this.
I think so. You did, yeah.
But also, let me just show you guys that you also have the Guardsman dog cage, or you can use it as a cargo securing thingy.
Yeah, they're two different products. You have this one, and then you have the other one with a divider that you can put wherever you want, or not wherever, but like 70-30 dividing. So you can have your dog on one side and your luggage on the other one, if you want to.
And I should maybe come here with another car, but Bilkomponenter, they have plenty of these, what do you call it, the dog cage for other brands also.
Yeah, we have it for BMW, Skoda, Volkswagen,
Audi.
Audi.
The Korean cars.
Yeah, some Korean cars, some Kias, and Mach-E, Ford, Mustang, and a lot of other ones.
Well, let's take a look at the car.
Yeah.
So there are also some accessories here. Look at this. I was like, whoa, what the heck? Like, this is just a company car, but you just install everything here.
Yeah, we have to.
You guys also sell these?
Yeah, we do. It's a quite extensive installation, so it's quite expensive.
Yeah.
It takes around 7 to 8 hours to install it.
And then you have this where you can change some settings here.
Yeah, if you press one of the colors now, you can change the color if you want to, I think.
Oh, you see,
Yeah.
oh, you want to be got the pink and stuff, red. Oh, nice, nice. Yeah. So you can just turn off the display here, and you also have 2 USB-C there. And then wait, so wait, does this actually change?
Yeah, we have
the
to change the whole center console top.
The whole cup holder also.
Yeah, the cup holder, everything.
What the heck? This is quite extensive upgrade.
Yeah, it is.
I see you have the sexy buttons here.
Yeah, of course.
Okay, here maybe it's okay. And also here we have some phone holder.
Yeah, we're charging.
Oh, we're charging. Oh.
Yeah, and you can, and the screen actually swivels as well. If you want to, you can.
Oh, you have installed that stuff
Yeah,
also.
yeah,
Hey,
yeah.
wait, why is it?
Yeah, you can. You can have it like this if you want to.
That's also the stuff you sell,
Yeah.
and you can also get it installed.
Yeah, it's quite
here.
easy to install actually. It's not a problem for the common man or woman to install if you want
This
to.
looks so weird, man. You go to the service center, you're like, there's something wrong with the screen. Okay, so I just point it back there roughly. Okay, and then what about the steering wheel?
Yeah, the steering wheel is super nice, like a more sporty version of the. You can get it as you want with the different. Now you have carbon at the top and the bottom, and you have perforated leather. You can get it with Alcantara. You can get it with a stripe on top that you see on sports cars. And
Oh wow, you know, I initially mentioned that in this video I'm going to show you guys stuff that you didn't know you wanted, but now you want it. And if there's something I have complaints about in Tesla is that the standard steering wheel is a bit, I don't know, thin or not that
yeah,
nice.
I agree.
Yeah, you agree?
Yeah.
Because when I test lots of cars, I go test BMW, Audi, Mercedes, and even the Korean cars. They have even the Chinese cars. They have a nice steering wheel, and then I come to Tesla. I'm like, what the heck is that? Well, you can just get the aftermarket.
Yeah.
But this, what is this?
This is a speedometer. We don't sell that anymore.
Okay.
As you can see, if you check the range, you can see why.
That is a massive range, 4,400 kilometers of range.
And 0% charge on the battery.
Okay.
But it works. One of the reasons we don't sell these anymore is also that if you put sunglasses with Polaroids, you can't see anything.
Oh,
it goes black.
Yeah, shit. Okay.
So, but it's fun to have.
Well, by the way, here we have also the 3D Max Spider floor mats.
Yeah, of course.
Yeah, and it has a nice edge here. Where's the logo here?
And there's no logo in the back.
Oh, nice. Okay. And then, okay, this thing here.
Yeah, the little storage container, a tray. Actually quite easy. Just
It's a cup holder.
yeah, it's a cup holder, and you can put stuff in it. Now it's quite dirty, but
And then how is it attached?
it's just attached with some Velcro and some tape on the back. So you just put it in like this, and then it sticks.
Okay.
And of course, then we have this one, which is really nice. It's quite new product. You can just slide it on. There's tape on the back to fasten it better. But so that's another cup holder, and you can adjust this one if you want to. And if you don't use a cup holder, there's a magnet. So you just slide it underneath, it's away.
And then can you access the USB?
You can also access the USB here if you want to.
Oh, okay. I would rip off that
Yeah.
right away.
Or your kids.
Yeah.
Well, that's quite nice.
Well, you have the ambient light also.
Yeah, here and in the doors.
Look at that. It's like you're sitting in a Mercedes now.
Yeah. So it's quite nice, actually.
And now we're going to do the quick tour around the warehouse. And you see, on this side here, we have all these dog guards. And there's one, for many different brands, right, or models. Here we have Q8 e-tron. But you can also get for the Fisker Ocean.
Yeah.
Do you still sell it?
Some, but not much.
Okay.
But I guess that's natural.
Yeah,
with everything being bankrupt. And
yeah, there'll be a blowout sale on these.
yeah, probably. Black Friday.
Yeah. And then, okay, according to the sales statistics, Sondre, you sell a lot of these 3D Max Spider.
Yeah, and especially for the Model Y, which is this one.
Okay, so you guys saw some of this. This one in the back, right?
Yeah.
In the front.
Yeah, this is the one with the logo.
Yeah. so actually, despite that I didn't like the appearance of the logo, people still buy them.
Yeah, they do. They're great.
And then, let me see. And here, oh, you have everything here, right?
Yeah, these are for the lower frunk with these two. There are two pieces, and these are for the back of the back seat. If you need to have some protection.
What is this?
Yeah, you put them on the back of the back seat. So when you fold the back seat down, you have the protection if you want to load stuff in.
Oh.
So that's nice.
Yeah.
We don't sell so much of this one because it's probably not that popular and not so many people need that, but it's practical and
But you have for other brands also?
Yeah, we have for other brands. Of course, all the Tesla models. We have for the BZ4X Toyota, Mach-E, and BMWs, and Polestar.
ID4 also?
ID4 as well, yes.
Okay.
Yeah.
And here we have another very popular product. It's made in New York City. Well, made in USA. So rally armor. What is this?
These are mud flaps. Super nice. This one is for the new Model S and Plaid long range.
Is it because the original from Tesla is not good?
Yeah, it probably is.
Setting the standard in mud flap. And these are not cheap and people still buy them left and right.
Yeah, but they're super nice. They give you super protection and the fasteners are very good, very nice. They differ from different cars. We have them as well. We have them for different cars. And for Teslas, for Ioniq 5N, as the car you came in.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah, which is super expensive. So, but I think the big thing, they protect the car super, and when you put them on the car, they never go off.
Oh, you have them on the Model Y right now, right?
Yeah, there's on the Model Y and my Model S.
Oh, I did not rally armor. And it's also, now how is this again? Original from Tesla, is it front and back or how is it?
It's only front.
Only front?
Yeah, and I should say that the rally armor logo here, you can get in different lettering and in colors. So you can have it on my Model S, I have it in black. So you really don't see it.
Ah. And then so here is the thing, it's nice and soft. It does its work, but it doesn't fall off.
It doesn't fall off, and it gives super nice protection. And of course, if you hit something, since they are soft, nothing will happen.
Yeah. Where was that again? Where there was some plastic. Was it Tesla or?
Yeah, I think Tesla's new ones has a little bit of a rubber part on the bottom.
Okay.
But I know that the first ones, I think from Model 3, it was more like harder plastic or harder rubber or something like that.
Yeah, and I wonder if it was one of these front in one of the Teslas. I don't remember which one. And I went kind of high up and I heard.
Oh yeah, you're correct.
Yeah. Here it was a bit of.
Yeah, and there's another thing with the original ones, is that especially on the old Model 3s, is that they're hollow, so they will fill up with sand and stuff, so they will get super heavy and start to like fall off.
I remember that. It has like a schmutz gatherer.
Yeah.
But here there's nothing behind it.
No, there's nothing behind.
I forgot about these products. So do you see it? No, Sondre, I think you have to remove one of them.
Yeah, I'll remove one.
So you know what is it called again? The rim protector.
Yeah, it's kind of a rim protector. You just snap them on. I've been driving with them on for 10,000 kilometers, and they haven't fallen off.
What is that?
And
is
you
that
can see that.
brush?
Yeah, you can see this is car brush.
Oh, this is perfect for wives.
Yeah.
Okay.
And daughters.
I'm just kidding. But it actually protects, because I heard that some of those, and I've seen many Tesla owners. I don't know what's up in the Tesla owners. They drive around with that red ring.
Yeah, alligators. Alloy or something like that. Yeah.
But I heard that it could make things worse. But this seems to actually protect it.
Yeah, it is, and it's super easy to install. You just do like this, and then you're good.
How many do you have need for one?
You need 1, 2, 4, I think. So if you
Right, 4? That sounds.
is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5. Okay.
So if you destroy one, you can just change the one. You don't have to change everyone.
Or you can just cover up damage also.
Yeah, what I have done on this car.
But is this the original rim?
This is the original 21-inch rim. Yes.
Oh, I see. Yeah. Oh, you damaged them already?
Oh, yeah.
Oh, shit. But you can get the fake look on it also, right? With the snap-on.
Yeah, and you can get it in different colors as well. If you want to, like white or red, carbon.
Oh. So here we have a hubcap, or whatever you call it, that mimics the look of the original.
Yeah.
So this is 21-inch.
Yeah.
How big is that?
These one are for the 19-inch wheels.
And then you just snap it on.
You just snap them on, and
I see it has this. Okay, the stuff that. Okay.
Yeah, so you just snap them on the back, and they're actually a little bit bigger than 19-inch, so it gives a visual representation of it. Looks more like 20 inches when you put them on.
Oh.
So,
okay. Wait, they made them quite similar.
Yeah, they're quite similar.
How did this like ABC always be copying?
Yeah.
Oh. Okay.
And these comes in. This set comes in 2 left and 2 rights, so you can see that the pattern is different. So this is for the other side of the car. So they turn the right way when you drive forward.
But I wonder if it has any aerodynamic advantages also.
Maybe you should test.
Maybe I should test it. But yeah, it's nice because I think even Tesla's own rims, they don't rotate the right way.
No, these ones doesn't. On the other side, they're the same wheel, so they turn the wrong way.
So that was just a short intro about what is available over here, and of course all the products we have shown is available at Bilkomponenter.
Absolutely.
And you guys also ship all over the world, right?
Yeah, we do. Almost. Some countries not, but...
like Nigeria?
Yeah, probably.
What about North Korea?
I don't think that's possible.
But then some of the products, like the made in USA products, you guys can just buy them in US.
Yeah, that will be better and cheaper.
Yeah, and cheaper.
Yeah.
And also, if you live maybe around, well, not too far from Oslo, you can also come over here and get some of that stuff installed with a...
Oh yeah, we install everything we sell.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And then also there is a discount code, 17% discount.
Yeah.
Here, if you use the Teslabjorn code.
Yeah.
And also, maybe next time we should check out more stuff. Like there's not only accessories for Tesla, but lots of other brands.
Oh yeah.
And I even see on Facebook people with e-tron, they install LED bar.
Oh yeah.
We can have an own episode just about LED bars.
Oh yeah, we could. Yeah. We do it on a lot of cars. So motorcycles and camper vans, everything.
Yeah. So maybe I can ask you guys, go check out the Bilkomponenter.no and then see what you want me to test. And then, maybe we can test them, whatever.
Yeah, why not?
Yeah. But I also have no idea what you guys are interested in. And then based on the sales numbers, that's just what's selling right now. But maybe you guys have something else interesting.
Yeah, and if there's something you didn't find on the website, let us know.
Yeah. And then I live just 5 minutes away from here. The Jessheim, Kløfta, they're quite close. So I can come here and make video almost weekly. Yeah, but we'll see how often we're gonna make these videos.
Yeah.
So I think that's gonna be it for now. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. As always, thank you for watching and talk to you later.